Why do I go on and on about your telephone lines? Well, to be truthful, it's because you are blowing money away. The carriers will not change your call plan unless you directly ask them to. And why? Because they are making more money as they are. This whole telephone line thing has seen a lot of changes over recent times. In part, it's driven by the NBN, mainly because they changed the rules. Traditionally, internet lines may have been cheaper, but were they as good? No, not normally. A bit of echo, jitter, judder, all those techie sayings, but it was really just bandwidth, and data would steal it away from voice, and the carriers would try and lump it together. In these 2017 times, they can actually do a lot better. It all comes down to bandwidth and how they manage it. Many of us don't have access to the NBN, so we need to make do. But you can make do at a lot less than you are paying now. Bundling your telephone calls saves money. Paying for individual calls costs money, and many of you out there are still in this outdated mode. Marissa just this month saved up to $400 a month on her call package. That's $4,800 annually, or a very good holiday at the end of the year. And that was on ISDN lines. Colin saved nearly that on PSTN line. And Paul installed a whole new hosted telephone system with about 30 handsets and saved thousands in the capital and ongoing costs. They saved these sums because I went to them and said, have a look at a better way, and they did, and they saved, and they are very happy. Let me help you to a better way. It costs nothing to ask the question, and it might just save you a heap of money. In today's market, we still have traditional ISDN and PSTN lines, but now internet lines, SIP lines, NBN hosted packages. It all sounds so complicated, but in fact, it is easier. Contact peter@verdi.net.au and I'll contact you, or phone us on 1-800-116-116.